Okay. Sa ganda nung game, wala akong masabi. Banghang-bangha
Iniisip mo
ako.
na may schedule mo ng Sunday.
Oo,
Ah?
actually, baka pwede na yung gimmick natin after
Oo.
the game, di ba?
Tama.
What do you think? What you
Pwede.
think? Si
Pwede,
Ian,
pwede.
as Ducky scores, alam, may mas maganda akong ideya. Si Ian Laurel ang
Palibrehin
magbabayad.
natin.
Di ba? Ian, kasi sasaktan ka niya, Barry, no? Pag-cover ng game.
Pasakit ka na lang,
Oo,
ha?
sige, sige.
Tanggapin mo lang.
Yan. Si Ian, gumugulong na ngayon niya. Ha, okay, tuloy tayo sa Sunday. Nag-discuss on the air, ano? Ano ba kayo?
Arellano and Ateneo having 10 attack points each. Ging Balse. Ito na, sensing trouble. Sabi ni Ging, ako na, I will take over.
Alam mo
Sige
si-
na.
Si Sir Lai.
Balse now with 14 points. Bautista with 9. So Ascenson, Salamago 6 points. Valdez with 12. Dakis with 8. Kainglet with 7. Ahomiro with 6.
Just coming off the bench, and in the meantime, Abdul says it's her fault. It's 17-15. A much better game from Arellano here in the third set. Ateneo shuffling its cards again. Tejada for Tajima.
Mukhang Arellano. Ito na yung sa akin, yung best combination nila since
Good
the
point.
start.
Very good
Legasyon on the setting and you have, of course, the two guest players. Kanina pa nagsha-shuffle si Coach Opet. Eh.
I agree. Pinaluan. But Ami is there. Dak is the gate. Woo! From the back row. Gusto magtago ni Eliza Valdez.
Napapikit siya doon. But,
She took her eye off the ball.
true. And it was coming. Ang ganda naman nung pagkakabigay ni Ahomiro.
But once you take your eye off the ball, she was looking at the spot already. 16-17. Here comes hands on serve. Biggest threat by Arellano thus far. Ahomiro. Hands on spinning around. Nice rejection at the net. Bad coordination by Arellano. They got to sort their positions out.
One more time for Nene.
Tough set.
Great floor defense from the Lady Chiefs. Oh,
Yes. Drops an email. Well done by the slow-mo there. At the right moment. Isipin mo kung ni-replay niya yung buong yun.
Sigawan tayo ulit.
Sigawan tayo.
oh, and Coach Roger, napatayo na doon because
Who will
violation.
Who will one day be the commissioner.
Sabi naman niya, just in case lang daw hindi
Baka hindi nakita.
Oo.
Ang puso, ang puso.
Oo. Reminder lang.
Kanina nagbilang 6 touches nga eh. Nicely done, Nene Bautista. Well done.
Going cross court.
19-17. T-Car. Watch this again. Watch how Bautista uncorks this.
Alam mo, partner, hindi naman nagkakalayo when it comes to attack points. So far, Ateneo having 40. Arellano not far behind with 37 attack points.
Best set so far by Arellano in the game. They lost the first two, 25-18, 25-17. They're close and tight here. Less errors, 17-19. Bad play by Ateneo. And Beyatan apologizes.
Once again, Tikar with that Alam mo, heavy kasi nitong serve nitong si Tekat.
Ah.
Maganda talaga service niya.
Kung sa sandwich ito, malaman eh.
Huwag naman nating mag-jinx, pero
Oo.
hindi talaga nahihirapan ang first ball.
Lumipad na.
Oh.
Lumipad na yung Alex. Umuwi maaga.
Making sure she got that one.
Ateneo 20, Arellano 18, third set. Ferrer to serve. Gemenea. Picar. Bautista. In play. In play.
Good job. Legacion. Hitting it.
While everybody was looking at Bautista and Balse, Legacion said, I'm gonna fire this. Ooh, but in the rotation,
Salamacos comes in now.
defensive purposes nito. Shuffle ito.
Dalawang malaki. Nasa harap ng
Yep.
Arellano.
For Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Valdez is flying, just soaring here.
Oh, good read on the side of Ateneo.
Patnongon and Kainglet conniving there. Tejada darts back in. Lazaro is back as the libero for Ateneo. As many as two can play as libero. Now, the important thing is
yes.
that you assign them at the top of the game as who your libero will be. Blocking. Kept alive by Patnong in the back row.
Nobody there.
It looked out. If they didn't look out, it may have been hard to tell. And I think that's the reason why the coaching staff of Ateneo twisted and turned. It looked out. But, di ba, you'd rather have the player going for it.
That's right. Oh, Eliza Valdez going wide. Arellano tying up the game.
It was the best zone that was open eh. Malakas lang. Here comes Arellano with their best opportunity to grab a set and change everybody's production plans, actually. Or anybody's date, for that matter. They call it out. They call it
Yep.
out.
And Arellano is at the lead by 1.
Alam yung kapos ka eh. Bakit? Ang dami namang option. Di lang naman pumalo eh. Alam mo, mababa yung sinet si James eh. Matulin. Gagawin mo. Mas tutulinan mo pa yung talo mo. Pwede naman. Kontrolin nyo yung sarili nyo. Naglalaro na naman kayo. Gusto nyo, paluin lang yung bola. Pag tumaas, papaluin ko lang. Pwede dapat matalino kayo. Papaluin ba, ilalaglag. Malbilis ba yung bola? Mabagal. Diba?
Roger Gorayev with his sermon, but that's the schedule on Sunday. You know, Roger Gorayev strikes you as the parent that you don't want to have trouble with. You don't want to have worries with. But also that loving kind of father as well. 22-21. Ooh, then really went deep. Lazaro shot.
What a return and a miscue naman on the side of the Lady Chiefs.
I like the fighting spirit of Henson.
Oh,
huh?
yes. Sobra. Galing.
Tied at 22. Playable and settable. Dakis hard.
Oh, that was really overset. Jeff Ferrer way on the other side. Well, Ferrer now 32 excellent sets. Nakahabol na si
Yes.
Picar with 21
Lalo
of
na
her
rito,
own.
lalo na rito sa set na ito. I like the way Arellano is keeping it together, fighting hard here. Dakis.
Oh, what a time for Dakis to score that point.
Come to me. I'll right on my back.
Mm-hmm.
I'm the guest player here.
Correct.
tied at 23. Very cool, Lazaro. Dakis. Rachel Ann Dakis has used the southpaw stab, and it's now match point, Ateneo. Let's listen in.
Yung si Dela na magandang receive lang.
Shirley, ito si Ferrer ha. Shirley, pilitin mo dito ka tumalon mismo rito. Pag nakita mo hindi kumumit ito, hindi tumalon kay Shirley, bigyan mo kay Shirley. Pag pinalo mo yung bola, sisigurado mo patay, hindi pwede mabubuhay nila ang bola. Kailangan patay kagad ang bola pag ikaw tumalo ha. Kaya pag nakita mo, pag tabi Shirley mismo, ay, kung saan nakahuli pumunta. Dahil na huwag mo siksik yung bola. Gusto mo dito dalhin yung bola.
Magandang receive lang, ha?
QST Adamson National University against Ateneo. That's the date. You shouldn't miss the V-League on Sunday, May 5 here. And of course, you'll see it here on GMA News TV. What a game this has been. Ateneo, match point. Regalo. Almost, but not quite. Will it end with the shot by Dakis?
What a game, partner.
And but what a stand by Arellano as they took Ateneo to the max here in the final set. Final count 25-18, 25-17, and 25-23. Shakies, shake and play. Why not? Rachel Ann Dakis, left hand, right hand, all the hands functional. Back in a moment. Our score is 25-18, 25-17, 25 and 23. Sino best player natin?
Alam mo, Eliza Valdez played well, and so is the rest of the
Yeah, I guess so.
Ateneo
Yes,
squad.
indeed.
Pero ito yung last 3 points
That
na
mattered, ano? That
Yes,
mattered.
that's true. The it girl is with Rina Villamor. Rina!
That's right, the it girl, the Shakey's best player, Rachel Ann Dakis. First of all, congratulations to the Lady Eagles. Now, Rachel, ikwento niyo naman sa amin, 2 weeks kayong naghanda para dito sa quarterfinals. Ano-ano yung mga ginawa niyo para makapag-prepare kayo?
Well, yung 2 weeks namin, wala kaming game, so nag-intay kami. Tinaasan namin lalo yung intensity ng game namin, more on sa floor defense, tsaka sa defense sa blocking and spiking.
Alright, sa iyong palagay, ano yung mga naging kakulangan nyo pagdating dun sa third set? Kasi alam mo naman natin, nakahabol dito yung Arellano team. At paano kayo nakahabol?
Medyo nawalan kami ng receive nung third set and nagkaroon ng madaming errors. Pero bilang isang team na well-experienced, naka-cope up agad kami, kaya nakuha namin yung third set.
At syempre kasama din natin ngayon si Miss Leslie, ang ating Shakey's representative para ibigay sa iyong pizza, ang iyong best player prize. Ngayon naman, may mga gusto ka bang pasalamatan at batian sa larong ito?
Thank you po sa sumusuporta po sa akin and sa Ateneo team po. Ay po sa lola, sa ninko po, sa tita ko, sa taytay, basta po sa family ko. Maraming salamat po. So happy birthday po sa teammate kong si Kiwi. Thank you.
Alright, maraming salamat din sa iyo, Rachel. And congratulations again to the Ateneo team. I'll turn you back to the panel.
Thanks a lot, Rina Almiro, with her birthday, huh? And interesting
Happy
games.
birthday.
What a quarterfinals it'll be, Mosey.
Oh yes, definitely. And excited na tayo sa mga susunod pang laro.
Absolutely. Keep it here where volleyball is always red hot in the Shakey's B-League.